Standard 8 Maths Chapter 16 Surface Area and Volume. Practice set 16.3. Find the volume of cylinder if its height h and radius of the base r are as given below. Okay. So, see cylinder. Cylinder looks something like this. In previous exercise also I have taught. It is something like your face powder or your water bottle. So here they have given this height and ये base का जो circle है इसका radius. What they are asking? Volume. Find out the volume. So to find out volume, volume means इसके अंदर कितना space है, okay, कितना जगह है. तो formula is volume. See, first question, radius is equal to 10.5, height is equal to 8. So solution, volume of the cylinder, volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h. So pi is 22 upon 7 into r square. R square is how much? 10.5 into 10.5 and into h. h is 8. See pi. pi का ये फिक्स वैल्यू होता है 22 upon 7. r square यानी रेडियस का twice multiplication and height is 8. Now cancellation. So see 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7 मतलब 10 में से 7 minus हुआ, so 3 remaining. It became 35. So this decimal, then 7 5s are 35. Now we have to multiply all this. इन सबको multiplication करेंगे. So first let multiply. First let multiply 10 decimal 5 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 zeros are 0 plus 4 4. 8 ones are 8. Before one number decimal, so 84. Then multiply by ये दो multiplication हो गया. Now this 1 decimal 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 8s are 40. 42. Then 1 4s are 4. 1 8s are 8. 6. 8 plus 4 12. Before one number decimal 126. Now 126 multiply by 22. 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4 5. 2 1s are 2. Then again 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4 5. 2 1s are 2. After adding we get 2772. So 2772. Volume is always in cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. Okay. Now let's do the second sums. Solution. Yeah, radius is 2.5, height is 7 meter. So volume of the cylinder, formula is pi r square h. So pi 22 upon 7, r is 2.5 into 2.5 into height is 7. So 7 ones are 7 ones are. Now you just have to multiply all this. 2.5 into 2.5 then into 22. So after multiplication you will get 137.5 cubic meter because it is in meter. Third sum solution. Height is 4.2, radius is 4.2, height is 5. So volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h. So pi 22/7, r 4.2 into 4.2 into h 5. 7 ones are 7. We know 7 6 are 42. So first we will take 0, then this decimal. So ये बन गया 42. So 7 6 are 42. Now after multiplying all this, इसको multiply जब आप कर लोगे, so you will get 277.2 cubic centimeter. Fourth sum solution. Volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h. So 22/7 into r is 5.6 into 5.6 into 5. So 7 8s are, so 0.8. 7 8s are 56. You have to just multiply all this. So after multiplication you will get 492.8 cubic centimeter. How much iron is needed to make a rod of length 90 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter? So here rod of length means height, equals to height, that is 90 centimeter, and diameter equals to 1.4. that therefore radius is equals to diameter upon 2. So 1.4 upon 2. रेडियस हमेशा डायमीटर का हाफ होता है, तो 0.7. So now you have height and you have radius. So how much is needed they are asking. So that means volume of rod equals to pi r square h. Why? Rod is similar to cylinder. So pi is how much? 22/7 into r 0.7 into 0.7. अभी हमने ढूंढा था ना. Height is 90 centimeter. So 7 ones are 7 ones are. After multiplying we will get 138.60 centimeter. Okay. So therefore the iron is needed 138.60 cubic centimeter. Okay. Third question. How much water will a tank hold if the interior diameter, see diameter is given, that means for radius we have to do half. So diameter of the tank is 1.6 meter and its depth is 0.7 meter. Depth will be our height. So we have both. So first here diameter equals to 1.6 meter. So therefore radius is equals to diameter upon 2. So that is 1.6 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are. Okay. So after that depth is equals to height, that is 0.7 meter. Now we have to find out volume. So water in cubic centimeter, but measure has been given in meters. So therefore first radius is equals to 0.8 into 100 centimeter. Why? Because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So here you will, ये हमने क्यों लिया, इसका रीज़न है 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So here you will get 80 centimeter. Then now after this depth, ये जो height है इसको भी सेंटीमीटर में करना है. So height 0.7 into 100. So that is 70 centimeter. Now you have radius and height. So volume of tank. So tank is equals to cylinder. So cylinder pi r square h. Cylinder formula. So pi is 22 upon 7 into r, 80 into 80 into h, 70. 7 ones are 0. Now 8 is 64. 1, 2, 3, 64 ones are. So here you got 64,000. Then multiply by 22. So you will get something cubic centimeter. Now we know that since 1 liter is equals to 1000 cubic centimeter. So therefore here 1, 2, 3. So we have 1408 liter. So the tank can hold, therefore the tank can hold 1408 liter of water. Fourth sums. Find the volume of cylinder if the circumference of the cylinder is 132 centimeter and height is 25 centimeter. So we have been given C, that is circumference 132 centimeter and height 25 centimeter. ये किस चीज़ का इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है? सिलेंडर का. अब सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम ढूंढना है. टू फाइंड आउट वॉल्यूम वी नीड रेडियस. यहाँ रेडियस नहीं दिया है, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस सर्कमफ्रेंस वी विल फाइंड आउट रेडियस. सो circumference formula is 2 pi r. So equals to 2 into pi 22 upon 7 into r, जो हमारे पास नहीं है, बट circumference 132. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, इसको यहीं पे छोड़ देंगे और ये बाकी सब वहाँ जाएगा. सो देयरफॉर 132 जो यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर में है वो डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा और जो डिनोमिनेटर में है वो न्यूमरेटर में आ जाएगा. नाउ कैंसलेशन, 2 1 2 6 12. 13 में से 12 गया, 1 बचा, 2 6 12. 11 2 22. 11 6 66. 2 1 2, 2 3 6. So denominator is cancelled, 1 रह गए. So 3 7 21. Therefore radius is equals to 21 centimeter. Now you have radius. So with the help of radius we will find out volume of cylinder. Formula pi r square h. So equals to pi 22 upon 7 into r. Just now we find out 21 into height. Height is how much? 25 centimeter they have given. 7 1 7, 7 3 21. After the multiplication you will get 34,650 cubic centimeter. इन सब का मल्टीप्लिकेशन से ऐसे करना, 25 इंटू 3 सो 75 इंटू 21. 1 5 5, 1 7 7, 2 5 10, 2 7 14 15. And then into 22. 2 5 10, 1 carry, 2 7 14 15, 2 5 10 11, 2 1 2 3. Again same number, so same will come. So 34,650. Okay. Here we come to end of this practice set.